Welcome. Let's get started. Google Search Console is a free tool from Google that helps you manage your domain. It is a very useful tool for SEO as it gives you access to valuable data related to crawling, indexing, traffic, or search queries, for example. Based on this, you can measure the performance of your website and improve your strategy. You can also submit your sitemap to Google via the Search Console. First, you should go to Google Search Console and log in if needed. Click on Get Started and add the URL of the main page of your website to the field as shown and click on Continue. This should be the root level of your website. Select the HTML tag option to verify your ownership. Copy the HTML tag displayed on the page and then log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Select the Webmaster Tools tab and then click on Google Search Console. Paste the previously copied code into the Google verification code field. It is only necessary to add the code between the quotation marks. The remainder of the code can be discarded. Click on Save Changes. Go back to your Google Search Console and click on Verify to verify ownership of your site. Click on Go to Property. You can use Google Search Console for many features such as monitoring site traffic, checking for issues that Google has detected, and many other features. Congrats! You've successfully completed this task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.